Most trailer owners never think about wheel bearings until they're sitting on the side of the highway with smoke pouring out of their hub. And the worst part is, in most cases, it's completely preventable. Wheel bearings are a small but critical part of your trailer. Their job is to allow the wheel and hub assembly to spin smoothly around the axle spindle while carrying the full weight of the trailer. Every time you tow, they're dealing with heat, load, moisture, and road debris. Over time, that combination will wear them down if they aren't properly maintained. The first signs of trouble usually show up before anything catastrophic ever happens. One of the most common is noise. You might hear a humming, a grinding, a growling sound while towing, which often gets louder as speed increases. Another big warning sign is heat. After driving, it's normal for hubs to be warm, but if one of the hubs is significantly hotter than the other, that's a red flag. In most serious cases, you may even notice grease leaking out from around the dust cap or seal, which can indicate a failed seal or overheated bearings. You might also feel the wheel movement if you grab the tire at 6 and 12 o'clock and rock it back and forth. A small amount of movement can sometimes be normal depending on the setup, but noticeable wobble or clunking is not. A quick inspection doesn't take long and can save you major headaches. First, make sure the trailer is parked on level ground, chalked, and safely supported with a jack and stands. Never rely on just your jack. Once the wheel is off the ground, spin it by hand. It should rotate smoothly with no grinding or rough spots. Then, check for play by gently rocking the tire. If it feels loose or rough, it's worth pulling the hub apart for a closer look. Inside the hub, the bearings rely entirely on grease for lubrication and cooling. Over time, that grease breaks down from the heat and moisture and contamination. That's why bearings need to be cleaned regularly and repacked. When you pull the hub apart, healthy grease should look clean and consistent. If it looks dark, gritty, burnt, or milky, that's a sign that water and heat has gotten into the bearing and may already be compromised. Repacking involves thoroughly cleaning the bearing and working fresh grease into them before reassembly. As for timing, a good rule of thumb is to inspect the trailer bearing at least once a year for regular use. You should also check them before long trips, after the trailer has been sitting for an extended period of time, or any time it's been exposed to water. Boat trailers in particular need more frequent attention due to the repeated water immersion. The reality is, when the wheel bearing fails, they rarely fail quietly. A neglected bearing can overheat, seize, destroy the hub, damage the spindle, and in extreme cases can even cause the wheel to separate from the trailer. What started as a small maintenance item can quickly turn into a roadside breakdown and a very expensive repair. The good news is, it's one of the simplest things you can stay ahead of. A quick inspection and a proper grease maintenance goes a long way in preventing failure. If you tow regularly, this is one of those jobs that's worth paying attention to before it becomes a problem. If you're looking for more information or parts for your light trailers, speak with your local Parts for Trucks representative or visit us online at partsfortrucks.com.